Hello guys, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to diagonally di- diagonally split a cell in Microsoft Excel like this. So firstly select any cell, modify as your requirement, change the size. Now right click on this cell and here select format cells. Now select this option and click on OK. Now double click and type your text. Now in this alignment, select this top align. Now keep your cursor of this first line. Now press and hold Alt and enter on keyboard. So you will see a new line in this cell. So here type your second text. Now click anywhere. Now keep your cursor before beginning of the second line and make some space. Now click anywhere. You can change size for this text. So thanks for watching guys. This is the method to split diagonally in Excel. Comment this video useful for you or not.